Back pain and neck pain are probably two of the most common medical impairments that are found in Social Security disability cases. However, your best way of winning a Social Security disability case, if you have back and/or neck pain, is to show that you have other physical or mental impairments that accompany that problem that contribute to an overall state of disability. This is because under listing 1.04 of the musculoskeletal section of the Code of Federal Regulations, which covers spinal disorders, the standard for showing total and permanent disability based on back or cervical pain or thoracic pain is very high. Generally speaking, the medical criteria requires that you've either had multiple failed back surgeries, positive straight leg raising tests, that you require an assisted device, or that your back pain and your back impairment is so extensive and in so many different parts of your spine and so severe that surgery or any other further treatment isn't even an option. So it's unusual to have a Social Security disability case get up to hearing level and then meet or equal the back spinal disorder listing. It's not to say it hasn't happened to me, but more often how we win the back and neck pain cases is we present the orthopedic notes, we present the physical therapy notes, the chiropractic notes, the most recent MRIs and x-rays on record, for example, and then we couple that with any other impairments that the claimant may have. So for example, if you don't meet the back listing and Social Security is looking at whether or not there are any other jobs in the national economy that you can perform, if you're under the age of 50 and they determine that even though you have severe back pain, you would still be able to do a sit-down job that involves alternating sitting and standing every 20 to 30 minutes, then you won't get your disability. So what we do in a case like that is we look for additional impairments in the medical record. For example, disabling anxiety and depression that would preclude a lot of office jobs, or maybe bilateral carpal tunnel syndrome that again would preclude a lot of office jobs and factory assembly jobs in the sedentary work base. So if you do have the back pain, I will give your treating provider a medical residual functional capacity questionnaire. It's going to ask how much can you sit, stand, lift, but then I'm also going to pursue other aspects to your case to show that even if you could do an easy sit-down job, that there are other impairments that would preclude work.